The 2026 MEB 77x12 angle frame utility trailer is a practical and dependable solution for everyday hauling needs. Built with a heavy-duty structural angle iron frame, this trailer features a 77-inch wide by 12-foot long treated wood deck, making it ideal for transporting building materials, landscaping equipment, ATVs, and general cargo. Its durable construction and simple design provide reliable performance for both personal and commercial use. For added safety and convenience, the trailer comes equipped with a 12-inch high steel rail along both sides and the front, helping secure loads during transport. A large 76 inches by 48 inches rear ramp gate allows for easy loading and unloading of equipment, while tread plate fenders, DOT-approved lighting, reflective safety tape, and heavy-duty safety chains ensure compliance and peace of mind on the road. The trailer rides on a single 3,500-pound capacity axle and includes a heavy-duty 2-inch ball coupler. With a trailer weight of approximately 1,000 pounds, a payload capacity of 1,999 pounds, and a GVWR of 2,999 pounds, it offers an excellent balance of strength and efficiency. Fully wired with the appropriate vehicle plug, this utility trailer is ready to work from day one. Contact us today for pricing, availability, and delivery options.